Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube? We back at it. Feel me? Got the M4 outside. About to go for a long little 50 mile drive. Go and come 80 miles basically. In the M4, feel me? Sunny out. The car is pretty dirty. I'm on a whole new camera. I hope y'all fuck with the quality. This camera is crazy, bro. I seen a lot of videos of it. This shit is crazy, bro. So I hope y'all fuck with it. Car is dirty. I'm gonna watch it tomorrow. Probably do a little video on that, hopefully. But I'm gonna do a little POV. Car looking clean though. For other ways, car looking clean, regular smegler. Shit look crazy, but let's jump into it though. Hey though, YouTube. My bad. Back at it for me. We in a weirdo spot right now, so. There's mad, state troopers and bullshit outside. But we got 40 minutes left. I'm on quarter tank. 122 miles left. Green, go. Motherfucker says LOL 2-wheel drive. But there's mad cops. Cops out here though, like I was saying. And they be in little weird cars, like undercover shit. But that not stop a beast to fly today, yeah? Like they be in shit like these, like what the fuck, gang? like they be catching people though. I don't know what the fuck. Look at it. People are like, you fucking jerk off. The car sounds fucking horrible, dude. Get a fucking Corvette. Fucking slow ass car. Look at this nigga. What the fuck is you doing, gang? Remember now, look at all these vets. Look at all these. All up slow ass vets. I had to pick up that camera real quick, but I'm about to put it back in my head. Hold on. And we in the town area now. This is where I actually all look like I might get pulled over at for tints, some dumb shit. They be riding dick over here for no reason. It's kind of the ghetto though, man. Like the white ghetto. You see that girl? She was like, oh. Jump. Yo, hope I got that on camera. That means, oh my god! Yo, that's funny. I actually got it. I got slides on too, bro. My fucking thing is. Damn, a free car wash? Damn, I would, but nah. I would. Let me give you that. Father. I'm not letting them little ass kid touch on my car, no fuck. I'm gonna come back with bare fingernail prints on my shit. Niggas gonna take 1,000 pics for their story. For their mom Facebook story. I would have though. If I didn't really have nowhere to go, I would have for sure. Nah, that's funny. Gang, I'm literally a dickhead, literally like a fucking dickhead. Gang, I almost ran this light just now, bro. I was checking the quality, make sure the quality's good, and I was about to run this red light, bro. That shit was hit. Gang, they was about to. Lucky thing that car was good. They didn't they didn't go over, but they was about to hit my shit, gang. And it would have been my fucking fault too, bro. I was putting the head strap on my head again because I was checking the camera because, bro, the quality when I be posting be mid sometimes. I have to make sure I got good quality. way like longer in person compared to like in real life. Like it's weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's not the same. Like how y'all thinking like, oh, I have mad room, I could have called all them off. I would have called all them off, and the Mini Cooper would have been this close to hitting me, like this close. Somewhere I gotta do it. My phone does not take charge. My phone about to die. That was a cop. My phone about to die, bro. Bro, if y'all could like up the videos and like start like commenting and sharing the videos, I get some views and I could get paid for YouTube so I could buy a phone, another phone, cause this phone like it doesn't take charging, only when it wants to. The plug is messed up, and I fixed the plug like one time, but it keeps going like in and out. So if y'all can share the video, like the video, and subscribe, I could afford a phone. I'm buying cameras and shit, but I can't afford a phone. That's crazy, not thinking about it. Come on, Mr. Kayak. Yo, going on that white line, that yellow line is scary, bro. I got no traction on either. Like, no, nothing at all. I'm in all-wheel drive, so I'm good Gucci, but still, like, that shit is scary. Like I don't know. It like vibrates the car. Some shit. I heard that shit not good for your tires either. I don't know if that's true. Got some weird shit on his plate. I don't know what that means. I'm trying to see. Oh my god, that turbo is sneezing. Hope I can hear that shit. That shit sounds crazy, bro. Yo, driving with slides is that ass annoying though. Like, I'm not the only one, am I? God, I got no signal out here. I can't even do it. I'm crazy. I might get my ass kidnapped. No signal out here. Yo. I hope I'm not in a redneck, like a, what's it called? Red Town. Right now. Look at this guy, fucking big ass rust bucket. Shit's rusted down. He's still driving it though. He's still lifting it though. Damn, it's nice over here. What the fuck? Let me not speed, matter of fact. Alright though, YouTube, we back at it over here. We made it. It's I went through a lot of fucking rocks and shit, like shit like that. I went through a lot of rocks. Come over here and like cars eating the rocks, bro. Rocks went everywhere in the bottom, at the top of the shit. We made it from maybe in the woods, middle of nowhere basically. I got no service. I'm trying to get on here, but I can't. Like there's no service. I never set it up fully yet. So I want to be retarded right now. Usually I could swipe it to activate, but I gotta record my GoPro for now. But let's see what the vibes. We made it. Now I'm about to, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do here. Cause it's like a beach and it's like, bro, I'm not that type of person going to beach and water and do all that shit. I can't find my mans them, so I'm about to figure out some shit to do.